If our solar system is just one of billions, how unique is Earth, really? This is the story of exoplanets, the worlds beyond our sun, in 25 facts. For centuries, we believed our solar system was the only one. Then one faint star proved us wrong. The first confirmed exoplanet was discovered in 1992, orbiting a pulsar named PSR B1257+12. It wasn't Earth-like, it was blasted by radiation. 3 years later, in 1995, astronomers found 51 Pegasi b, the first planet orbiting a sun-like star. It was a hot Jupiter, a giant gas world orbiting closer than Mercury. That discovery changed everything. It proved that planet formation is universal, not a cosmic fluke. Since then, astronomers have confirmed over 5,600 exoplanets in more than 4,000 star systems, and counting. And with every new detection, we realize our solar system isn't the rule. It's the exception. The age of exoplanets began not with Earth's twin, but with alien giants orbiting impossible stars. We can't see most exoplanets directly, so how do we know they're there? The most common method is the transit method, watching a star dim slightly as a planet passes in front of it. NASA's Kepler Space Telescope used this technique to find more than 2,600 planets between 2009 and 2018. Another method, radial velocity, measures a star's tiny wobble caused by a planet's gravity. The direct imaging method, taking actual pictures of exoplanets, is rare but stunning. So far, only a few dozen have been imaged directly. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, now goes further, analyzing the atmospheres of distant planets by splitting their light into spectra. We don't just detect worlds anymore, we read their skies. Exoplanets aren't just Earths and Jupiters, they're everything we never imagined. There are hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit their stars in days with winds over 5,000 miles per hour. And super-Earths, rocky worlds larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Some could have thick atmospheres and alien oceans. There are rogue planets, worlds that float freely in space, torn from their stars, adrift in eternal night. One exoplanet, HD 189733b, rains molten glass sideways at 4,000 miles per hour. Another, 55 Cancri e, may have a surface made partly of diamond. These are worlds that defy imagination. Each one rewrites what a planet can be. But among all these worlds, which ones could host life? Astronomers look for planets in the habitable zone, the perfect distance where liquid water can exist. The closest potentially habitable planet is Proxima Centauri b, just 4.2 light-years away. It orbits a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are the most common stars in the galaxy, but they flare violently, which might strip away atmospheres. NASA's TESS mission is scanning 200,000 nearby stars to find the most promising Earth-like candidates. And with JWST, we're now searching for biosignatures, chemical clues like oxygen or methane that hint at life. For the first time in history, we might be able to detect life without ever leaving home. We've found thousands of worlds, but we've only just begun to explore them. The upcoming Habitable Worlds Observatory, planned for the 2040s, will be able to detect true Earth twins. Future missions like LUVOIR and Origins aim to directly image Earth-like planets in nearby systems. Some astronomers propose star shades, giant space umbrellas to block starlight and reveal hidden planets. Others dream of interstellar probes, like the proposed Breakthrough Starshot, which could reach Alpha Centauri in 20 years using light sails. And someday, our descendants might not just observe exoplanets, they might visit them. Exoplanets remind us that the cosmos is vast, alive, and full of potential homes. Every discovery pulls Earth down from its pedestal and lifts our imagination higher. Here's the twist. The more we find worlds like Earth, the more we realize how fragile ours truly is. Because every exoplanet is a mirror showing us what could have been, or what we might become. The universe isn't empty. It's filled with possibilities. Love science, space, and the search for other worlds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we continue exploring what you might not know.